Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Today we're going to make some sweet and sour tempeh. Alright, let's get started. So for the sauce today I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/3 cup and 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Now we're going to whisk this together and set it aside. Next I will cut up the tempeh. Today I'm using a 3-grain tempeh, organic, from Light Life, and a leftover piece that I had in the fridge. And I'm going to cube it. I'm going to set this to the side and save this piece for later. Next I'm going to cut up the peppers and onions in a tile shape. I've purposely cut the tops and bottoms off and opened them up. And this is how we do the tiles. Then we'll cut them in half and make nice tiles for the meal. I've done the same with the orange pepper. For the onion tiles, I pulled off the 2 outer pieces. Now I've got them about the same size. And that's what they look like. Now we're going to the stove. Okay, here we are back at the stove. I pour the sauce into a hot pan. And we're going to stir it up until it thickens. Okay, it's starting to thicken up here. Turn the heat down and add the tempeh. And the veggies. I like my veggies sort of crunchy, but if you'd like, you can cook them first ahead of time and then put them in. And you want to make sure everything gets coated. And today I'm going to put this on top of some buckwheat, my favorite grain. Wet sweet and sour sauce with a little bit of pineapple. Now if you don't have a wok, you can use any kind of pan. I just like using the wok. Alright, I'm going to plate this up and give it a whirl. Okay, we're back and here's the finished product. I'd like to garnish it and then I'm going to give it a taste. The crunchiness of the vegetable. This is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. We'll see you on the next video.